Hey everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Carrie Lee. Yes. So today's video, but before I get into the video intro, you know what I'm gonna say. To show me some love, to turn on your post notifications bell, subscribe, comment, like, and tell your peoples about me. Yes, guys. So today's video, what I'm gonna be attempting to do is, guess what? Since I'm a coffee lover, is whipped coffee. So tune in. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me, and turn on your post notifications bell on right now. Hey guys, it's me, your girl, Lady Carrie Lee. So like I said, today's video, we're gonna be making whipped coffee. So what you're gonna need is instant coffee. You're gonna need sugar, white sugar. You're gonna need boiling hot water, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of the sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the coffee. And I like to add cinnamon. It's not recommended, but it's optional. Just add a little razzle-dazzle. So let's get this started. All right, so let's add the 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. I'm excited, guys, because this is the first time I'm ever making this. And yes, I've had failed attempts. So I'm really hoping that this one comes out to my liking and that it does come out okay. So now we're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of the white sugar. A dash of cinnamon. Oh my gosh, if I can open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I added my dash of cinnamon. And now I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of water. Alright guys, so now you're going to need a whisk, and you're going to whisk it for 2 minutes. So let's get this started. I can do it a little bit more. Alright guys, so I successfully made the whipped coffee. Now what we're going to do is you're going to need 1 cup of milk and just add this topping to your drink, guys. Guys, so I'm going to be adding my whipped coffee on top. Look how amazing that looks, guys. So all you got to do now is just add a straw and you can mix it. I definitely would recommend a bigger cup. Like I said, this is my first time making this. And let's try it now. Guys, this taste is amazing. So I hope you enjoyed my whipped coffee tutorial. Alright guys, so I definitely used a bigger glass and it was so much better to add. So definitely use a bigger glass for your frosted whipped coffee. And I definitely did add ice because I love iced coffee. So yes, enjoy.